Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We just came back from the grocery store. We picked up some of these breakfast mixes. It's called Just Crack an Egg by Orida. Picked up 3 of them. This one says American Scramble, potatoes, cheddar cheese, and uncured bacon. Second one says Ultimate Scramble, pork sausage, cheddar cheese, potatoes, onions, and green and red peppers. The third one says Denver Scramble, Applewood smoked ham, cheddar, potatoes, peppers, and onions. Alright, I think we're going to cook these, see how they are, see which one we like the best. Alright, we'll set these to a side. First one we're going to cook is the American Scramble with bacon, it says. Directions say, remove lid and pouches from the cup. Crack egg into cup. Empty contents of pouches into cup. Stir until blended. Microwave 40 seconds. Stir. Microwave additional 30 seconds. And it says it is hot, so let's see what we can do here. Okay. There's your contents. Pouches. Okay. First it says crack an egg, so we'll take us an egg. Alright. Be sure you don't get any of the shell in there, like that. It's a little hard to eat with that shell in it, so. Alright, let's see what we do here. Here's your pouches. This looks like potatoes. It says open right here. Pour all that in. Okay. Bacon, open right here. Pour it in. Cheese, that's my favorite part right there. Cheese, pour it in. Alright, it says mix it until they're good and mixed up. So we'll just stir it up. Alright, what we're going to have here is an omelet. Sounds good. I like omelets. How many of you eat omelets? Alright, I think we got it stirred up pretty good. Let's take it over to the microwave and heat this one up, see how it does. Here we go. Put that in there. 40 seconds it says. Now it says stir it, cook it another 30 seconds. So get our spoon, our cup. Now this is hot, so be careful. Okay. Okay, we got it stirred up now. Cook it another 30 seconds. Alright, let's see how it did. Yeah, I believe we got an omelet there. Look at that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's try it, see how it is. So here we are with our cooked omelet. This is the one with bacon in it. Remember, it's a little bit warm, so be careful. Let's try a bite. Yeah, that's pretty good. Maybe another bite. Hot. Yeah, that's pretty good. Well, that's your bacon omelet. Okay, here's our second one of the just crack an egg. This one's called Ultimate Scramble. Pork, sausage, mild cheddar cheese, potatoes, onions, green and red peppers. Okay, here's the Ultimate Scramble with the pork sausage. Get it ready to go here. Take our contents out. Nothing in it. Crack an egg, it says. There we go. Just be sure not to get any of the shell in there. It's a little hard to eat with that shell. Here's our three contents. Here's our first one. Looks like peppers and stuff. Right there where it says open. If I can get it. There it is. Let's pull that open. We'll pour it in. Some peppers. We'll get all them in there. I don't imagine these are probably not going to be hot peppers, so we'll see. But okay. Next, we need the pork sausage. Okay. Open it. Pour it in. And my favorite part, the cheese. Gotta have cheese in an omelet. Yes, sir. Okay, take our spoon, we'll stir this up real good, get it mixed. Get that egg beat up in there. I think we about got it now. Alright, let's cook this one. 30 seconds, 40 seconds it said first. Alright, now we stir it, cook it 30 more seconds. Remember, it's hot, so be careful. Now let's see how it did. Remember, it's hot. There it is. Looks pretty good, don't it? Okay. Here is our third just crack an egg. It's called Denver Scramble. Applewood smoked ham, mild cheddar cheese, potatoes, green peppers, and onions. Alright, we'll cook it, let you know which of the three we like the best. Okay, here's our third one. This is the Denver Scramble with the smoked ham, cheese, potatoes, green peppers, and onions. Open it up, pull our contents out, crack an egg. Well, that one got me, didn't it? Oh well, just be sure you don't get any of the shell in there. Clean myself up here. Let's see our contents. Here's our peppers and stuff, okay. That little thing that says open here. Pull that open, pour it in. Okay. Here's our ham. Get it all in there. And our cheese. Open here. Once again, cheese is my favorite part. I'm a big cheese fan, by the way. Got all that in there. Okay, let's stir it up real good. Got to get that egg beat up in there. it all mixed up real good in there. Denver omelet, I kind of like those, so we'll see how this does, okay? I think we're ready to go microwave it and try the three, see which one we like the best. Alright, let's cook the Denver Scramble, see how it does. We've mixed it up real good. It says 40 seconds, then stir it. 40. Alright, we'll stir it, cook it 30 seconds more. Here we go, stir it up real good. Okay, cook it another 30 seconds. We'll be ready to eat them. Alright, let's see how it did now. Guess depends on your microwave. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, I think we're ready to go try the three. Okay, we got them all cooked now. Let's see how they did. We tried that first one, the bacon omelet. That was pretty good. That's pretty good. This is number 2. This is the ultimate scrambled sausage. Let's try it. Be careful, it's going to be hot. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think you better try another bite. Okay, both those were pretty good. This is the Denver Scramble. I'll try it now. I think the Denver Scramble was a little better, but it had more stuff in it too. Try another bite. Well, there you are. Just Crack an Egg by Orida. That's pretty good. I could eat these for breakfast. A single egg omelet. Pretty good. Okay, there's your three. There's other ones if you want to try them, other different flavors too. Maybe we'll get them up here a little bit later on. Alright, we thought we liked both of these, so try them, let us know, leave us a comment, tell us what you think, and we'll see you next time.